Now I'm having a ready test case, and it's time for me to create a load test from it. It's pretty easy. I just need to call pop-up menu and need to select create a load test. I could just press this button on toolbar as well. No, I will do this. I will call it people load test. And here it is. You could see my load test editor, and there are some important areas here. First of all, you could see the run button, which is the most important control of load test. The time of the test, the duration of the test, and the amount of the user is currently running. Most of these parameters could be changed, and you need to specify a proper place for this. I have here multiple places to which I could select properties from, and I'm having here the test, the global test properties. Here we are. I'm having the scenario properties. Scenario is a set of targets which are actually the test cases, and the test case is the next level, and you could see that I have test steps here as well, but I don't need them right now, so I will select the properties of a test. Now I'm ready to run my first load test, and you can see that it's endless, so I need to stop it in order to be to have a finished test. Actually, you can see that I have errors already, so most probably I've already found some problems with my server. You can see that assertion which I've created in my test case mentioned that the content is not right. I will return to my test case. I could call pop-up menu and ask to show me the test, and yes, now it's failed as well. But what a problem here. I just opened properties of the execution and have an error here, exceeding the rate limit. Now I need to return to definitions of my API and need to check out that the server against which I'm running my test is this one. It's a Swagger Hub server, and it looks like they're not happy with my load test at all. So I need to do something in order to run the test, to be able to run the test, because now I'm not checking the server, it's just protecting against my attempts. And I will solve the problem in next video.